Welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur.
Hi, I'm Neha.
Ajay.
Alright, I have Neha and Ajay with me today for a very interesting emoji quiz. Now, this emoji quiz is a country edition. So, you have to join the emojis to make a country name. Okay?
like that.
Okay, so shall we go? Country or city, either. Okay?
Okay.
So, it could be just any geographical location. Okay?
Seems difficult to me, but,
You probably, as we,
but I
progress in
think with him it should
It'll
be.
be district and village also.
district and village, so no, it's not district and village. But then okay, so we'll keep it simple, try and join.
Yeah.
You know, when you say it faster, probably you'll be able to get the name.
should
Alright?
guess it fast.
So shall we start?
Yeah,
Ready,
okay.
guys?
Yes,
okay.
yes.
So these guys are ready. Are you ready? Let's go. The first one. What?
Sri Lanka.
Where is the Shri?
Leg.
Okay. Read it aloud. Maybe you'll try and join it together.
He'll guess, no? Then that's why I'm not saying louder.
True. Not giving away the clue.
ये कौन सी country है?
Okay, see the second half. If you're not getting the first one, go to the second half. You're kind of saying it. So what could be?
That's what-
Tokyo.
Yeah, see, you did.
That's why I'm telling you I'm not saying.
Kyoto was obvious. It was the first one that we had to
so
get.
because it's the
Ah,
Now I'm not
Tokyo.
going to say it loudly.
Okay,
See,
yes.
I told you he'll
Okay,
guess if
so
I
got the
say it
hang
loud.
of it, right?
Yeah.
This is how it's going to be henceforth, okay? Tokyo it is, guys. Alright, let's go to the next one.
You have to give me half a point. Because of that Kyo only he gets.
Kyo was obvious.
He just knew it in his mind
Ah.
before. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Iceland.
Where is the? Why should I have an A if it's land?
Cuba.
Cuba.
मैंने बोला
Ah.
Cuba, yes.
Not bad, you guys, huh? Okay, Cuba, this is great. Okay, let's go to the next one.
What animal is this? Not really.
Connect it with this, maybe you'll know what it is.
Kabul.
Oh God, he got it. He's good at this one. Kabul. Yes, it is Kabul, guys. God, you're good at
I was
this.
thinking
Let's
ox
see.
in my head, you know.
See, that's why I said car था तो क्या सोच सकते हो? Okay, let's go to the next one. Ready?
Copenhagen.
वो को कहाँ लग रहा है?
Okay, so no, let me not give you a clue. Give it a try first, and then I'll give you the clue. So, what is there?
Wait. हाँ.
Yeah, what is there?
At
And then what is after the end? It might not sound right, but if you re-say it differently, it will be right. As in, with the emoji, you can get the spelling right. But when you say it, you have to say it differently. Come on, I can see you mumbling. Just say
I
the,
don't want to mumble out.
just say the spelling and see how you'll say it. Spell it in your mind and say how you'll say it. Okay, I'll give you a clue. I think you visited this country, this place recently.
That is why it's coming very obvious
क्या?
kind of
The-
thing.
You recently visited it
That is. It is
A few
close
months
to the
back.
country that I just told. So I'm
a few months back. Yeah. Come on, man.
Shit,
This
what
is
is this?
easy.
Austria.
नहीं यार. See what is okay? What is this?
At
At-
hen.
हाँ.
And
Is there only one?
3. That's what I'm thinking.
Is
which
there only
one?
one hen?
No, 3.
So when
And
you say
3
plural,
hen.
plural of hen is
Athens.
Athens.
Athens. Oh God.
exactly. So I was saying
Athens. Okay.
hens.
The
So you
pronunciation
pronounce
of at. We were
That's
doing
exactly
at
what
in
I-
my head.
that's exactly why I said
Athens,
spell it in your head.
Okay.
Athens it is.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay.
Some use of the trip.
Okay. Yes. You guys did go to Athens.
Yes,
right?
we did. We did.
Okay. Let's go to the next one.
So I was saying Copenhagen because hen no at the last
Oh.
and co C and A
Unka
inside.
pronunciation you went.
Copenhagen.
You went
No, no,
this. Too complicated.
I kept it very simple.
Yeah.
It was very simple, very obvious. Okay,
Okay.
next one.
Birmingham.
Come on, yaar. You can guess it with the first one.
Well.
itself.
Lift.
No. Think of more. Something more connected to what the person is doing there. Or where do they do that?
Belgium.
So
Gym.
gym.
Oh,
So you
okay.
say Belgium.
Ah.
Too much of my brain usage. This
Hey,
is why.
this
Okay.
is simple. How is he getting it?
You know, you told when you said where.
The
they
moment you
use it,
said where they do it,
I'm-
then I was thinking. Because others, the words in the mind were weightlifting.
Lifting,
Yeah,
Weights, exercise, yeah.
Wait a minute,
That's
but
what
how?
I did.
Where do you do it? I was thinking Japan,
GM.
and I was thinking that.
Belgium, gym.
So you just have to connect, like that at hens, 8 hens, like that. Same thing. Belgium, it is.
I don't
right.
like this
Okay, ready. Let's go for the next one. This one's simple, yeah.
Muscat,
No.
Moscow,
Exactly. I was just going to say the second animal is not a cat, it's a
cow.
cow.
Yeah, so that's what I
Moscow it
rephrased
is.
it.
So mouse and a cow, Moscow it is. Alright, let's go to the next one.
Shirt.
Okay. I'd say concentrate not on the shirt.
Okay.
Okay.
Taiwan.
So correct.
Taiwan.
Tai and
Tai
van.
was fun.
Tai
Van.
and van. So Taiwan. Okay.
I was thinking of ambulance, something
Okay, now I'm
related to
starting.
This is a bigger.
Ah.
That's why the other one had a
Taiwan.
smaller car. This is a van. So yeah.
Now I'm
Taiwan.
starting to like the game.
Okay, let's go to the next one, guys.
Iran.
Iran.
I and Ran. Iran, it is awesome. Okay, getting into the group. Next one.
Chile.
Chile.
This is obvious. Hey, this was like beach mein.
You should have kept this first.
A 1 mark question in between. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, so don't go on the obvious thing that's seen in the first part. Okay, maybe you can connect it with the second part and then you'll know what it is.
Bahrain.
Bahrain.
Bahrain. It's actually pronounced Bahrain. So this is a chocolate
So
bar.
intelligent I am.
Bar. So bar and rain, Bahrain. That's it's not Bahrain or that's it. Give me a
Okay,
second to come back to this. Bahrain it is. Okay. Bahrain it is. Let's go to the next one.
Huh? Czechoslovakia. Let me just guess. Whatever
No,
the biggest name.
it's I mean there are too many emojis, but you'll have to kind of connect, no?
Rice, hot dog, taco, happy, slurpee. What do I connect?
Okay, so you got what you're seeing obviously. So it's food and then there are 2 other emojis. So the last emoji, what does it show? And what is
Happy.
it? Happy.
It is more
The
of
last
tasty.
one. Ah.
Yeah.
So when do you have that kind of a feeling? When do you want the first 4 things?
Hungry.
Okay, both together. Hungry it is, yes. So the whole food, the yummy part, I'm hungry opening your mouth. Yes, it is hungry, guys. Alright, let's go to the next
Much
one.
of teasing the brain. Pan-Asia.
Oh, see, you're close. See closely the last one. What is the last emoji? So, she's gonna be a try and connect.
Panagong.
Eh?
Panamo.
No.
Panama.
There, Mama, you didn't get the ma. Panama it is.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
This is like.
So she is gonna be a mom, a ma. So Panama, yes, Panama is right.
So cringe.
It is. Okay, next one. Ready? They can't think aloud because they'll give the clue to the other one. Okay, this one's a little simple. I'll tell you why, because what is the second emoji?
Owl.
What is the first emoji?
Seoul.
See?
That's why I'm telling you, don't ask me to say things loudly. He's taking all the points.
Seeing this, I'll tell it's a dog or what.
It's obviously an owl. So yeah, sea owl or Seoul, yes. So that's
I was
a
thinking
sea.
about wave first.
Wave,
so then
same here.
wave.
Even I was thinking
If
wave.
I can give it to
my
you, so
head.
obviously
Yeah.
that's the point of having it. You
Yeah.
have to think, tickle your brains a bit over here. Alright, Seoul is correct. Let's go to the next one. This is like literal.
Canberra.
There. It is like literal. Canberra. Okay, Canberra it is. Perfect. Let's go to the next one.
Ostrich.
Denmark.
Hey, what is this bird?
Emu.
My god. You
What is
guys,
this?
guys went to this place also.
Denmark is one. That's what I was saying.
No.
No.
Okay, you went to many others also, no?
Shit, why am I not like I'm
Copenhagen.
What bird is this? It's a direct answer, direct question.
Okay, wait, I just want to recollect where and all we could. I'm getting so confused.
Achha, sorry, you guys didn't go to this place. I'm confused. You guys
Mithai.
didn't go to this place. No.
Oh.
My bad.
Yeah.
My bad.
But what bird is this?
Austria.
No. This
not
is what?
ostrich.
This is not an ostrich.
What is
No,
this
that's
then?
what I'm saying. Which one?
I'll give you one clue and you'll just say it.
Wait.
That's why I don't want to
Wait,
give you the clue.
Arey, this bird is.
This bird is eaten also.
Turkey.
See? It's a turkey.
Correct.
You know what I was thinking? What is male hen called? From that time, I was just brushing my head. What is this man? Because it looks so
The
huge.
moment you said
This
eaten.
is a turkey. Yes.
Turkey
it
looks
is.
like this. Oh my
This
god.
is how a turkey looks. You know, you imagine it on a tray. You've
Correct,
seen those
correct.
pictures. Huge
Actually,
it
correct.
is.
Even I
Frankly, I've
didn't
seen
know.
it only like that.
Ah.
I've not seen
Even
it
I
like
didn't know
this.
this.
This is a turkey. Yes,
But the
it
moment you
is.
said eaten, then turkey was the only thing.
Okay, this is a turkey. Okay, guys, we are now on the bonus question, and let's see who gets this one. All right, here is the bonus question. A bit tricky, but you can still easy. Okay, I'm just gonna give you the clues. You give the answers in your head. Okay. What is the second part of the emojis?
Shell.
So because they are multiple, it's going to be a plural, obviously. So connect it with the first one. What is the first emoji doing? Come on, guys, I thought this would be easy because you told the second part. What is the country that has the second half of the name? Come on.
I'm not able to think of like
Ah.
that
Okay,
country.
what
Wait,
is
wait.
okay? Try and connect it to the first half. Okay, what is the first emoji doing?
I won't say.
Loud.
No, I mean something more.
Call.
No.
I know what it is, but I'm not able to join it.
Then you have to think of synonyms of that first word that the emoji is doing. Whatever you're thinking. Come on, yaar. You said the second part. Ha. Exactly. Shell. So because it's the plural form, what is it going to be?
Seychelles. Seychelles.
Shell. So he's saying.
I was thinking shout and
Ah,
and
that's
say,
why I
but
think multiple
loud.
things.
No, I knew, but that's why I'm not saying
Seychelles.
Seychelles.
Okay, so the connect was talk. Talk, say something. Okay, so she's got the bonus question. All right, guys. Before I announce the winner for today's quiz, here is the question for you guys. See this emoji and let us know what the country is. All right. leave your answer in the comments. Alright, let's see who the winner is for today. And the winner for today's quiz is Neha! Alright, guys. Hope you enjoyed this emoji country quiz, city quiz with us, geography quiz rather.
Something
If-
different.
Yeah, if you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and stay updated on all our latest quizzes and videos. Until then, we'll see you all soon in another quiz, another episode. Bye.